If you're a Mac user and you are looking for a screen recording tool that is simple, powerful, and gives you full control over every detail, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete screen recording setup step by step. Whether you create tutorials, record voiceovers, or make YouTube videos, this guide will help you understand how to get professional results with ease. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First of all, open Safari or Chrome and search for 1001 record. Click on the first search result and open it. By the way, you will also find its link in the description. This is a simple yet very powerful screen recorder designed specifically for Mac users. With this tool, you can record your screen, camera, microphone, and system audio all at the same time. It includes features like auto zoom, cursor effects, and high-quality recording support of up to 4K resolution. To download it, click on the three lines, then click on the download option. This will open the app in the App Store from where you need to install it. I already have it installed, so I'll open it directly. Let me close these unnecessary windows first. The interface looks like this, and it is very simple and straightforward. Here, you get the option to record a specific window. For example, I'll open any window here. Now, when I click on the window option and hover over this window, it gives me the option to record only this specific window. By pressing Escape, I can go back. I'll close this and return to the recorder. By clicking on the area option, you can select a specific area to record. As you can see, I have already selected an area here, and the menu bar and dock will not appear in the recording. Only the opened content will be visible. From here, you can configure all settings and start the recording. You can press Escape to go back. If you click on Entire Screen, obviously you can record the full screen, which I'll demonstrate shortly. By clicking on Camera, you can also record using your webcam if you want. In audio-only mode, if you want to record a voiceover, you can do that very easily. You can turn on the FaceTime camera from here if you are recording a tutorial-type video. This will turn on your camera, and the video will appear on the side in a circular shape. Many YouTubers make videos like this. You can easily move it anywhere on the screen. You can flip the video and also change its shape. For example, earlier it was a circle and now it has become a square. If you don't want it, simply click on the cross button to close it. You can choose your microphone from here. If an external microphone is connected to your device, it will appear here. You can also choose whether you want to record system audio or not. After that, you can select the recording quality. This tool allows smooth recording up to 4K resolution. For now, I'll set it to 1080p. Next, you get the auto segment option. If you turn this on and your recording is going to be long, it will split the recording into different files. For example, it is set to 40 minutes here, but you can change it to 10 or 20 minutes. You can also split files based on file size if you want. From the bottom, you can choose whether this setting applies to only one recording or all recordings. After that, you get the option to schedule a recording. If you want to start recording at a specific time, you can schedule it in advance. Then you get the option to highlight clicks. By clicking on the preview area, you can see how this will look in your recording. Since there is no animation enabled right now, I'll enable it from here. You can choose the animation color, and there are many options available. You can also choose the animation style, and for now, I'll keep it outlined. Lastly, you can choose the animation size, and I'll select large. When I click on the preview area again, you can see how clicks will appear during the recording. This makes things much easier for your audience to understand. Built-in drawing tools are also available if you need to explain something or highlight anything during the recording. For example, you can choose the pen tool and draw anything on the screen, and then simply click on Erase to remove whatever you've drawn. There are also different shapes available, such as arrows, which you can use to highlight something. If you want to write text, click on the text option, choose a color, I'll select black, and then click anywhere and type whatever you want. Clicking on Erase will remove it. I'll close this now. By clicking this button, you can also take screenshots. After that, you get file management options. Here, you can see your recent recordings. In the video section, you'll find the same recordings. In images, you'll find your screenshots. And in audio, you'll find your voiceovers. By clicking on the three dots, you can access the settings. Here, you can set the folder where your files will be saved. I've already created and selected a folder. You can also choose the format, such as MOV or MP4. You can set the FPS as well, and I'll set it to 60 FPS. After that, you get the Auto Audio Merge option. If you turn this off, the video and audio will be saved as separate files, so I recommend keeping it turned on. In Advanced Options, you get settings to show the control bar, mouse cursor, and countdown timer during screen recording. You can also automatically save the recording area and audio source, view the recording duration in the menu bar, and set the PIP camera to turn off automatically when recording ends. In the Shortcuts menu, you can customize keys according to your preference. For example, to start or stop recording, pause or resume recording, show or hide the control bar, and clear drawing content. I have already set these shortcuts. There are also many more options at the bottom that you can use according to your needs. Now let's start recording. I'll click on entire screen. Again, I get the option to select the microphone, but I want to keep the mic off for now, so I'll set it to don't record mic. I want to record system audio, so I'll keep that on. To start, I'll click on continue. And as you can see, the 3-second countdown has started, which allows us to prepare for the recording. The recording has started. At the bottom, you can see the control bar, which includes many controls. From here, you can open drawing tools, just as I showed earlier. You can take screenshots during recording as well. There is an option to turn the camera on, so I'll click it to enable it. You can see the picture-in-picture camera has appeared on the left side, just like in many tutorial videos. You can change its shape and drag it anywhere on the screen. For now, I'll close it. You can also turn the microphone on or off during recording. Similarly, you can turn system audio on or off. Here, you can monitor the live file size. You can also set a timer if you want the recording to stop automatically after a specific time. You can pause and resume the recording, and you can stop it from here as well. At the end, you get a button to hide the control bar. As you can see, the control bar is now hidden. I had already set a shortcut for this, which is Shift+8, so I can bring it back and hide it again using the same shortcut. The recording is still running, and now you can easily record whatever you want. For example, I'll open the Chrome browser here, and anything I do will continue to be recorded. You also get pause, resume, and stop buttons in the menu bar. Now let me stop the recording. As you can see, your recording is now displayed in front of you, and you can play it here to preview it. By clicking on Extract Audio, you can get separate audio and video files. By clicking on the Edit button, you can do some basic editing right here. For example, you can increase or decrease the system audio volume, and similarly, adjust the microphone audio. You can also choose a border style, and there are 5 styles available. Use whichever you like. After that, you get the background option, where you'll find many gradients, solid colors, and wallpapers that you can use as your recording background. You can also add a watermark. Whether you want to add an image like a logo or some text, you can do it very easily. Additionally, there is an auto zoom feature that tracks your mouse clicks and automatically zooms into the area where you click. You can set the animation movement style to slow, medium, quick, or rapid. Once everything is set, click on Export. Give the file a name, change the location if you want, and then click Save. Your recording will be exported and saved to the selected folder. If we talk about pricing, this tool is very affordable. You only need to pay $15 for a 1-year plan, and if you choose the lifetime purchase, it costs $50 with all pro features included. If you want, you can also use it for free. You get the first 10 screen recordings with pro features, and for basic screen recording and screenshots, you can use it unlimited times for free. So this is 1001 Record, exclusively for Mac users. It's a very good tool, especially considering the level of control it offers, which you rarely find in other screen recorders. If you're a Mac user, the link is in the description. Make sure to try it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching for more useful videos like this.